Hello guys, today I'm super excited to show you this new product I received. It is a super big cable, and well, it is for the new iPhone 15, and like you can see here, well, it comes with this one, with the charger and with the cable, and like you can see, it is from type C, the USB type C, to another type C that the new iPhone 15 needs this type of charger. Okay, so I choose this one because it's super huge, and I like it because maybe, for example, in my bed, in my room, my bed, it's not close to the wall, so sometimes I need to be like close to the wall when I'm using my phone, or also when I'm working I need to have another thing, or charging my phone to the laptop, because I'm not close also to the wall. So I think that with this one it will be super perfect. And well, I like it because it is super compact, the cable. Okay, it is big, but it's super compact. And I also like it because it says that it can charge the phone 15 from 0% to 50% in 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to be using it. I'm going to be showing you how it works, this product. Okay, and also I like it because it is Apple certificate, so I think that one it protects a lot your phone, and it's a super good thing. Okay, like you can see there, it is already charging. I have 43%, and well, it is 401. Okay, and I'm going to be showing you how much it charged, maybe in 3 minutes. Okay, so let's wait. Now, like you can see, it's 407. Okay, and okay, now like you can see, it's 4.7, and I'm going to show you how much it charged. It has 53%, so I think that maybe 5 minutes there was. I think it was a super good charging, and well, I like a lot this product, and I know that you're going to like it. Okay, and well, I'm also want to mention you that you don't need just to have like an iPhone 15. Maybe if you have another phone that has this type, the type C entrance, so well, you can use it. And well, I know that you're not going that you're going to love it. Okay, so I hope you like it a lot.